Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As summer nears, 2020 has another trick up its sleeve. This time, it's cicadas. A lot of cicadas. In parts of southwestern Virginia, North Carolina and West Virginia, it's nearly time for a brood of the insects to emerge for their once-in-17-year mating season.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cicadas also have air sacs that have resonant frequencies comparable to timbal vibration frequencies, thus amplifying the sound and producing that crescendo of high-pitched buzzing that is the characteristic sound of late summer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.